COVID-19. Thanks for joining us for the news at 4. I'm Jamie Tompkins. As the battle against COVID-19 intensifies, tonight Governor Inslee is asking Washington businesses to pitch in and manufacture the supplies needed to fight this outbreak. This as we await new numbers from the state tonight. The State Department of Health last updated the number of COVID-19 cases 4 days ago. At that time, there were more than 4,800 cases and 195 deaths. So why no new numbers since then? Q13's Simone Del Rosario is live with the answer and other new developments from the governor today. Simone?
Jamie, it is a long delay, and I talked to the Department of Health. They say there is no timetable for when they are going to be able to update those numbers, which were last updated on Saturday. Here's what happened. With our state's reporting system, typically, they would only keep track of positive cases. That would be outside of a pandemic, though. This is obviously new territory, and because they were trying to track all of those negative results, the state's reporting system got overwhelmed, and now they're being forced to turn to the private sector and tech giants like Microsoft to get some help updating that system or going completely outside of it. Here's the good news, though. That does mean that we have seen more testing in our state. We know we've needed to ramp that up. It doesn't mean that we are seeing higher percentages of negative tests, though. The Department of Health said that in recent days, the percentage of positive cases from all of those tests actually did go up to about 8 to 9% positive tests each day. The governor today reacting to the delay we're seeing.
Yes, we obviously would like to have those numbers. We hope to have them shortly. But the trends are more important than any particular daily report. These numbers are going to go up and down on a daily basis. We are much more interested in trend lines. So assuming we can get this back up fairly quickly, the fact that we had a couple days slowness probably will not be hugely injurious to our planning.
Of course, we know it's been more than just a couple of days. We're looking at 4 days and counting now in that delay. If you start to gather some county results, the governor said it's looking like we have about 230 deaths in our state right now directly connected to COVID-19 rather than the 195 we've seen reported 4 days